Okay, what we're looking at here is a prototype for a miniature MechWarrior leg. And you see the leg has 3 pieces: a hip, a knee connected to a lower part of the leg, and then at the bottom down there is a foot. Up on top of this little contraption is the Atmel AVR programmer, and in just a couple seconds I'm going to use AVR Studio to send a program over to a ATtiny2313, and then what that's going to do is control some pulses which will activate the 3 servos that make up this miniature leg here, and then it's going to create something resembling a stepping motion. Those servos in there, they're the little blue ones. They're Futaba Hitec HS-55 micro servos, and just to get a better picture of those, this is what they look like. And you can see through the window and the knee and the hip. You can see those 2, and then there's one in the foot also. Alright, so I'm going to hit program here, and then in a few seconds we'll see the leg start to walk. Alright. So I've been looking at this, and it doesn't look horrible, you know, for a first attempt here. Well, after getting the wood all cut out right and everything last night, I ended up killing another servo. But the motion, I think, looks okay. Next up, I'm hoping to maybe get the knee to move a little faster, so it picks that foot up off of what would be the ground. But I did do a couple tests just using my hand to see if this leg would actually, you know, how it would respond to a hard surface on the bottom when the foot comes down. So I'll do that again. Let me get a better shot of the foot down here. Now you'll see that it actually does turn this whole stand, that, you know, this whole thing that I've set up here just to test the leg motion. Alright, so I'm going to wait till the foot goes up, and then I'm going to put my hand underneath it. Yeah. So you can see when it presses down, it does actually turn. So that's a good sign. Like I said, the motion is definitely not perfected yet, but that's a start. And you can see all the batteries in there too. I'm currently using a external power supply, you know, little power supply box over in the corner there. So, alright, there you have it. I'm calling this leg test 2 because I had one last night, but yeah, the wood was even shottier than this wood, and yeah, of course, it's just nothing more than a prototype. And you can see little servos in there, and just kicking back and forth a little bit. And all 3 moving at the same time. So there it is, leg test 2.